Boy, I wish I could edit these videos.
That's the last place. The Supreme Court is the absolutely last place. But Louisville already gave.
Look at it raining.
An example of what we were just talking
So I fired up the Jeep for a bit, and then of course it started raining right when I fired up the Jeep. So I had to sit in it, bring back memories. But I got hit with some pretty big chunks of hail. Clunk. Oh, you know, I wasn't finished talking about that smell coming out of the front door. I said it smelled like somebody's big old thigh is underneath the deck. Well, I think what it was a enjoy the scene, by the way, as I'm lathering on and on and on. We had a whole bunch of opossums underneath the deck, whole family was worth, and then the mother died probably over there on the street, and then probably within 3 days there were 3 other young ones in the street. One died in our pool taking swimming lessons, and another one was attacked by our dog. Now our dog is a wimp, so what he'll do is he'll rush out there like a banshee, grab that thing, and instantly that thing starts hissing, so our dog Remy will drop it. So, but he was limp, the possum was limping a little bit, so he might have bit a little bit hard on that possum. Hey, there's a camper probably going home or bringing it away for storage. And I think that's the one that died underneath our deck, our front porch. So about every other year, a large animal will actually die, you know, get hurt or gets old, crawls up underneath the deck, and dies and stinks to high heavens. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. So this year it's that opossum. I'm thinking it's a young one born this year. Here's the other door. Let's take a look outside here. Oh, look at that water squirting out of the side there. See it? I'm going to have to take that dirt out and put a bucket inside of there. Small bucket like I have in there. I don't know if you can see it right there. I'm not stepping on that rain. My hair gets all messed up. And I'm thinking that's going to have to be in there so all the water doesn't leak out or leach out. And that way I will have, it'll always be moist inside there. I don't know where Kathy got that idea. No, that was my idea. Her idea was to just drill a hole halfway up and then close it up, you know, put stones in the bottom. But the problem is this one's got a leak on the bottom, and so does that one, so I have to put the buckets in. Those two over there, you can see over there, I have to drill holes in halfway up or 3/4 of the way down. All right, so you know what? I'm going to call this just a really short video because I really don't feel like wasting too much time videoing. Oh, you know, another thing I thought of, there's such a thing called a box end. I don't know if it's box end, but a line a fuel line or air line wrench. And what they do is they cut out a chunk of this, and you can slide it over the tube and onto the nut, and then take it back off. You know, I got so many of these from Randy West that I'm thinking about making some line things out of these. He gave me a whole bunch of his extra stuff. What do you call this? Duplicates. And he had so many duplicates. Same thing with here. So many duplicates. So it's pretty cool. 1/4 inch drive, 1/2 inch drive, and ta-da, 3/8. So there are, you know, right now there isn't a whole set of anything, but you know, might be able to find stuff that's frequently used sizes. And those are really the ones I really want. So, okay. So let me continue with this. I stopped working on this car because it was raining. So I'm strapping all this stuff up. Once it's up, I'll show you another picture or video. All right. See you guys. Bye.